for living that only the smart ones know. There's no place to sleep in the wild. Take your trousers off. Cut your trousers in half down the side with scissors. Staple the two pairs of trousers together. Put sticks through the sides. Thread a few pieces of rope. The hammock is ready. Very practical. 2. Put a plastic bag over the leaves. Tie with string. Shine the sunlight on it. You'll soon be able to drink the water. 3. Too much smoke in the wild. Cut the underwear open, so the underwear straps to the sides. A simple mask is created. 4. The river is too dirty. Tear off a piece of clothing fabric. Place one side in the river water. Put one side in another container. It soon filters out clear water. 5. What to do if you don't have matches in the wild? Fill a plastic bag with water. Shine the sun on it. Aim it at the ignition material. It will light up quickly. 6. What to do if you are lost in the wilderness and can't find your way? Fill a cup with water. Put a leaf and a clip. You can make a simple compass. 7. No cooking tools in the wild. Pick up an empty can. Cut out this shape with a knife. Break it open and place it on the charcoal. Put the ingredients inside, and you're ready to cook. 8. Twist the tinfoil into a ball. Tie it to the hula hoop. Cover with a layer of tinfoil to hold it in place. Line the hula hoop with tinfoil. Lay a small blanket on top. Tear off your clothes and wrap them around the hoop. A very practical lazy chair. No need to worry about having a stool in the field. Follow me. Learn more camping tips.